let it go. Let it roll right off your shoulder, don't you know? The hardest part is over, let it in. Let your clarity define you in the end. We will only just remember how it feels. Our lives are made in these small hours, these little wonders, these twists and turns of fate. Time falls away, but these small hours, these small hours still remain. Let it slide. Let your troubles fall behind you. Let it shine till you feel it all around you. And I don't mind if it's me you need to turn to. We'll get by. It's the heart that really matters in the end. Our lives are made in these small hours, these little wonders, these twists and turns of fate. Time falls away, but these small hours, these small hours still remain. All of my regret will wash away somehow, but I cannot forget the way I feel right now.
I'm Chris Edwards.
We created a game console with the embedded game Sudoku. You got your controller input here, your video output here, and an on-off switch. Turn it on and off. It's as simple as that. And if you don't know what Sudoku is, there is a sample Sudoku game. You fill in the numbers.
Made a 1 through 9 in each row, in each column, and each 3x3 square. I think everybody would enjoy using it. You just plug it up to any TV and sit down and play. You have a Sudoku party.
Everyone grew up with game consoles in their house. This is a simplified rudimentary one, kind of the equivalent graphics and control capabilities of an Atari from the 80s, but like I said, we only had 3 weeks to a month to make it.
I learned a lot about state machine, learned how to solder a little bit better.
I learned how to come up with a project, have a set amount of time to do it without really knowing how the controller works, how TV protocol works, how anything works. You have a month to do it and you sit down, you make a timeline, and you just get the project done.
Project in the blackjack game, I'm using a graphic LCD to display the cards and show the score and allow all the options for controlling the game. I'm using these two switches, one to move a cursor and the other one to make a selection if you want to hit, stay, or reset the game. The thing, it's very time consuming to get all the graphics in. You have to preload all the graphics, create the cards, create the template. And the other thing is the math of the game, because dealing with an ace and the logic is going to be hard because it can be 1 or 11 and your logic has to realize that what card you're using. Some programming experience a little bit, but the actual learning to use the hardware and the programming and getting the interface with each other and actually creating a program and implementing it on a device and actually seeing it work was the best part of the class.
My name is Cole Edwards. I'm a senior here at UT Martin. We are working on our final project for Microprocessor. We are using our senior design robot, implementing it using wireless communication.
They supposed to carry bombs to a secure location to be detonated. That way they could be used for military purposes or rescue squad safety, things like that. One of the main problems that we had in beginning this project was figuring out the wireless communication, figuring out how it communicated with the transmitter, communicated with the receiver. We were able to detect the signal, but however we were not able to, at the beginning, we were not able to single out the certain signals out of it because it kept getting a lot of junk and a lot of unwanted.
My name is Daryl Webster. I'm here at UT Martin getting an engineering degree. This is for microprocessors, and I'm doing Wheel of Fortune for my final project.
Okay,
here.
yeah, just take a picture
This
of
is the game. All right, primitive setup. Okay, we have 3 LCDs, 240 characters, 116 character. We're gonna have the 3 switches and the wheel. You're gonna be able to spin the wheel with the lights. This is gonna display the puzzle, the hint, and the scores and the letter. And you go up and down the alphabet, the enter button, spin button. And that helped me in this class to implement this was the LCD project and the state machine project. The state machine project helped me out because I understand about the events and the state that it goes to once you do an action, then it causes something to happen. And the LCD project helped me because I understand how to not only connect the LCDs, but also get them to display things at different parts of the LCD.
Forget the way I feel right now. In these small hours, these little wonders, these twists and turns of fate.